If you want to improve your home, here are a few tips. Tip number 1. Get rid of junk. Go through your belongings and remove broken or worn down items. Tip number 2. Prioritize organization. Invest in storage solutions and designate specific areas for items to create a clutter-free, visually appealing living space. Tip number 3. Enhance lighting. Swap out dim bulbs for brighter ones, and consider adding lamps or accent lights to create an inviting atmosphere. Tip number 4. Embrace color. Experiment with vibrant hues on walls, furniture, or accent pieces to add personality and depth to your living space. Tip number 5. Incorporate greenery. Introduce indoor plants to your living space, improving air quality while adding a touch of natural beauty and tranquility. Tip number 6. Personalize your space. Showcase your interests and memories through artwork, photographs, and unique decor to create a truly tailor-made haven for relaxation. Tip number 7. Upgrade textiles. Refresh your space with new curtains, rugs, and cushions to add texture, comfort, and a fresh aesthetic to your home. Hope this helps. Enjoy!